Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trello and automate boards with AI Butler, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Trello download and press enter. Click on the official Trello website link. Once on the Trello homepage, locate the sign up or log in button. If you're new to Trello, click sign up to create an account. You can sign up using your email or link an existing Google account. Following registration, you will be directed to your Trello dashboard. Now, navigate to the upper right corner and find the Create Board option. Click on Create Board to initiate a new project. Enter a name for your board and choose a background color. Next, click on Create Board to save your settings. Once your board is created, it's time to familiarize yourself with its features. You will see lists and cards that represent tasks and ideas. To add a card, click on Add a Card under a list. Type in your task and hit Enter to save it. To automate your board, locate the Automation button at the top. Click on Automation and select Butler. You will be taken to the Butler menu, where you can see different automation options. Begin by selecting Create Your Own command to set custom rules. You can automate actions, such as moving cards based on due dates or labels. Fill in the necessary fields to specify your automation commands. For example, you could create a rule that moves cards to a done list when marked complete. After setting your conditions, click Save. Return to your board and test your automations to see them in action. Experiment with different automation features to enhance your workflow. Explore other automation options within the Butler menu for more efficiency. Once you've configured your settings, you're ready to streamline project management using Trello and AI Butler. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.